Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs with her orders. And that bag I ordered from Timo arrived today. And I'll open that up. Oh, nice. I have a bag similar to this, but this one's a little bit bigger. I think it's 25 liters, if I remember right. Let me bring that little. It's 6.6 gallons. Let's see here. It's 25 liter capacity. So look at that. So this is going to be my official cube bag if I ever go to a competition. I am scheduled to go to a competition in April in Ephrata, PA. I'm 16th on the list, so I was 19, now I'm 16. So hopefully I'll make it. I better practice because that's coming up. Alright. One of the things I like on Timo, their bags are pretty nice. Sometimes the company who buy these bags for to sell in America actually get it from companies in China or wherever this bag came from. But it looks like it's pretty good shade. It was only $17. It was like $18. Just say 18. Ooh, that American flag looks nice. Let's see if it got it right here, right amount of stars. Yep, 50 stars. Good. 13 stripes. Yes. Nice. Now you got Velcro, which is very important when you go to like a competition because you might not have the only bag that's black. So when you go to a competition, someone might grab your bag. You never know. That's why you put your name on here. Your name, and you have room to put. If you're being sponsored, you can buy a patch and make your own patch and put your sponsor up there too. So. Nice. That's very nice. Alright, so it has a front pocket. It's flat, so you can't put too much in there. And then they have a pocket on the top here, which is a little more thicker. And it has some other pouches in there. Your little accessory stuff that you need for your cubes or some other stuff. You can put your cards in there, like if you're representing your own, if you're a content creator, you can put your cards in there. You could put other stuff in there that you might need, pens, stuff that you give out for free. And you have a bag up here on the top. You can put some crackers and what have you. Alright, you can put a lot of cubes in there, I think. Look at that. And what I got is one strap. I got the one strap one. And the reason for that is I'm not going backpacking with my cubes. So I don't need both straps on there. So one strap from your car to the stadium or to the venue that you're going to, or if you're walking from the hotel to the venue, if you're that close, then one strap should suffice. And you got straps here you can put stuff on. You can put your other pouches on there or something. Got the Moly pack on there. It's called Moly pack. Alright, got my US Army one right now. Nice. Nice. I want my name on it, so that's fun. I have a whole crap of things with my name on it. Alright, got my name, Gonzalez, and I got the Gonzo book. You want to make sure nobody takes your bag. I've never seen that before. It has a strip that goes through here. You can put stuff in there. But then it has Velcro in the back here. Why would you need Velcro in the back? But you can put a lot of... Now, if you're one of those people that do every cube, competition, Mega Mix, Paramix, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, you might not have enough room in here. But if you only have a few competitions, yeah, this would be great. And enough to put a small towel in there to wipe yourself and wipe your cubes and hand sanitizer and all that good stuff. So yeah, I like it. cubicle patch. Got room over here to put, you know, if you're being sponsored by somebody, and then name tags. All right. Grab these cubes. 5x5, 4x4, etc. Mega Mix. These are my cubes. They're in my cube socks. Keep it protected a little bit, so you don't have to keep. You don't have to take all those hard cases. I mean, you can. They're nice. But if you want to take all those cases for every cube you're gonna bring, when you take them out, then you have that big case. Here, if you take out the sock, it lays flat. All right, here goes my 4x4. I got my 5x5. Nicely in the bottom there. You got 2 3x3s and a 4x4 and a 5x5. And then I got the rest of my 3x3s. Oh yeah, they're stacking up good. You're gonna want to put your timer in there. Take it off. Timer. Let's see if that fits somewhere else. Roll up your mat. Roll up the mat. Oh yeah, plenty of room. I even got that on the side of my other cubes here, so they're protected. It does fit like straight up and down here. They keep the shape of your bag, but you know it's in there and not protected though. So I don't know. You might want to. You could buy one of those long pouches and then mold it down here. You could put that on maybe. They sell big bags like that. I know I have tons of them. Maybe you have a lube accessory kit like I do. I would always stick this in a different pouch, so it's not in your way. So let's see. You could make this top pouch where you put all your lubes and screwdrivers. So I got that up here. Okay, now I want to stick a Mega Mix in here. Mega Mix. Let me put a sock on it. Just like the song. If you want to listen to the song, go to my channel and look up Volume 3 of I Love My Rubik's Cube. That's it. Put my Mega Mix in there. Yeah, look at that. Fits nicely. My Pyramix can fit in there. And then zipper it up a little bit so it won't fall out while you put other stuff in there. There you go. And then usually I have 2 Pyramixes because they use one to warm up and maybe one for a backup in case that one breaks. And 2 Pyramixes, I know I can put those in there. So I have my other Mega Mix. Gotta solve that one. That one has never been solved. And I have my Gang B100 and my Courier Core. Put those in there. And sometimes as a content creator, you know, you want to have gifts too. So you put a few gifts in there. Probably the best gift to give would be like a gift card from like the cubicle.com. Because you don't know what the kids need. So if you give them a gift card from the cubicle.com, you can they can get whatever they want. $10 each or something like that. I might do that for. I'm going to go see Tin Man Live in New York, and I might take a few gift cards to give out to the kids there. And I would hand it to the parents first. And then you have your advertisement. You put your card in there, and if you're just not giving them a gift card, and you're hooking up to cubicle.com and when you're hooking up yourself by advertising yourself. But I'm not an aggressive person, so I'm not going to, you know, put myself out there. I'm there to see the show, but when you go, you can always advertise yourself. Look at that sock. It fits perfectly in these mega mixes and cubes. You know what I don't have in there? 2x2. Let's do 2x2. Alright. Got it in the sock. And you put it right on in there. One good thing about these socks is if for some reason you just you're taking it out and you accidentally leave it there, if you have it in the sock and you have the logo on it, people can return your cube. But if you don't have your name on it, it's hard for somebody to return it to you. So that's why I'm going to make these socks, and I'm going to put the Gonzo book or something that identifies me on it. So when I use these socks, you lay it down, somebody can return it to you. And it all fits. Look at that. And I got my lube and like tool kit right here, and could put my cards in here in case I want to pass out my card, or those gift cards you want to give out. And there's some room back here, and I got room to put maybe some snacks in. Alright, let's cover that up. Like I said, I have plenty of room on the top, maybe for a drink or what have you. But these have molly pack. They don't have a pocket, but you can put a molly pack on there. You can put your own drink in there, so you can have your own drink. You don't have to worry about it, spilling on your cubes and all that good stuff. So, but you have to buy a molly pack and stick it on there. Okay. You definitely have to make a patch for cubicle.com. You might want to bring some camera stuff too. So they do have those straps here, so you can strap something right here. They do have this funky pouch right here that you can maybe put a small tripod in there. It won't fall out right here. And then right here you have this drawstring too, so you can stick some in there and then, cinch it up right here. Yeah, there's a few things you can do. So then you have this right here, and then you have the thing I was holding, and then you cinch it down so you can put stuff in there too, like a jacket or something, or something to keep you warm. And I got one strap. You can have some carabiners and put your keys on there, what have you. If you take medication, you can put your pack medication on there, or use one of these pouches over here to put your medication, or strap another pouch on here for personal stuff. Like you can put a pouch right here, connect it via the molly system, and you can put your medicine, if you're diabetic, your shot, and all that good stuff. So, and if you might need it for just snacks and food or whatever, or your camera stuff too. So all my cubes are in there. Yeah, put a pouch right here with a few things. Pouch in the back. You see it? I don't know. Let me put that down. You can strap it onto the front too if you want. Put your stuff in the front. There you have it. Nice cube bag. This bag cost me, I believe, it was $18, but with some shipping and handling, I think it was like 21 or 22. There you have it. And it's not that heavy. You might put a few more things on there, might make it a little bit heavy, but nice. Your own cube bag for less than about $21. There you go. Nice. Now, if you don't want to do all that, I'll put it on the screen. They do have a nice backpack that they sell on the cubicle.com that has cubicle right on there on the side. I'll put it right here so you guys can see. And that bag's real nice, but it's not in stock right now. They have to wait till it comes back in. But I kind of like this bag too. So, if you have any questions, comment down below. This is my Q bag ready for competition. Ready for competition. So that's all I have. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Join the journey, let's revel in the game. Speak who been master. Remember all that.